Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video it's gonna be a day in my life. In today's video there's gonna be a lot of studying, the things what I do in my day and lot more exciting things. So without any delay, let's get started. I today woke up by around 6 in the morning as usual, and once after I wake up I head into the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face and clean my bed. Once after doing this, I had a class with my friend. We actually do a virtual learning early in the morning because it really makes us to feel so productive. So once after that, I took a shower, and this is the outfit for the day. Once after that I came to the puja room and I pray at least for 5 minutes every single day. Beginning the day with praying to the Lord really gives a lot of good vibe for us and also makes us to move forward further in our day. I really love to pray in the morning because it really gives more motivation for me. So once after that I do my to-do list. I write them according to the priority, and by the end of the day if I complete all the things whatever I have written in the to-do list, the satisfaction really makes me more happier, and I also feel like doing the same the next day. My classes start by 9 in the morning, and my first class was English on that particular day. When I shooted this, I was answering some of the question which was asked by my ma'am. And then she also asked us to write some questions which was given by her. My next class was Max. In which we did solve some questions which was given by our ma'am. By the way guys, I had dosa for my breakfast. I'm sorry I was not able to shoot that as I was little busy in my maths class. Yes, there is a 15 minutes break in between each of the class, so that's why I shooted that. She is my sister who's sitting over there. We both attend the online classes in same room because we have the internet connection more good in this room. So let's get ready to the next class. My next class is chemistry. We solved some problems from the first chapter for this period. and my next class was physics, where my sir taught the concept of the first chapter. I had an apple during my physics class was going. Actually, by that time, my sir was taking attendance for the class. So, all my classes are done for the day. So, let's turn off, that is, shut off the laptop. As usual, my desk became really so messy, so let's clean them with the magic. I'm really so sorry for the reflection of the window on my table. I really do want to show this to guys. This is Lord Ganesha, which I drawed. I really do love to do drawing, so that's the reason. I took a break from 12:45 to 4 o'clock, and yeah, again back to studies. I practiced maths by this time because I am really trying to practice maths every single day, because I think it's good if I'm going to be more productive from starting off the class 11. I also listened to some of the lectures from my laptop. I am currently doing chapter 1 problems and examples, and then I filled my water bottle and went down to my car parking. These are the plants which is in our car parking. Myself and my sister really love to play in this swing. It's me. I am doing walking and I did it for around half an hour. These are the collection of flowers. We really do get a lot of flowers from our plants which we grow in the terrace and as well as in the car parking area. I took a break for half an hour again and I came back again for studying. By this time I studied chemistry. I read first chapter. So yeah, let's begin. My unit test 1 is gonna start in few days, so I am really so afraid of that, because it's the first exam for our 11th class. Not exam literally, it's a test, so I am little bit afraid of that because first impression is the best impression. I need to score good marks from starting of the 11th itself, so that it would be easy for me for learning more when there are a lot of chapters to be read. I do take notes for each and every subject, and yeah, there is a different type of things which I use for different subjects. I sometimes use flashcards for some subjects, and sometimes I write notes in my notebook. Actually, flashcards really help me a lot while I am revising for my exam, and as well as notes too which I take. I mostly prefer notes which I take in my notebook rather than flashcards, because I have a little more thing in my notes rather than in flashcards. I don't have a lot of examples when I write in my flashcard, but yeah, I have a little bit of notes, sorry, my examples when I write in my note. I really do study at least for 3 hours per day, because if you're going to be more productive from starting of the class, it will be easy for us during our exams, test, and also for answering our questions which is asked by the teacher during the class hours. I use highlighters in my textbooks for highlighting the important points, and when I'm taking notes, I use some pencil, some highlighters, and sticky notes too while I'm taking notes. I usually don't stick the sticky notes in my textbook because if there's no enough glue for them, they may just fall down. So I don't stick my sticky notes in the textbook, but rather I use them for my notes purpose. You can make maps for the things which there are a lot of classification for notes making. You can make web chart and a lot more things which really attracts you. Instead of using only same color of pen, you can use different types of pen, different colors of pen. It really makes us to attract. And right now I am explaining the things what I've read till now, summarizing the thing, each and every part. Once after every part gets completed, if you're going to summarize what we are reading, it will be easy for us to remember in future too. You may also set a timer while you are learning, so that you can know how much hours you are studying, and you can improve it if you are very weak in that. For the chemical equations which you have to remember in chemistry, you may do write them in a separate notebook or in a separate paper and stick them in front of the place where you study, so that it will be easy for you when you are just sitting or just learning some other thing, just watching some TV. You may actually just see them, and while seeing, you can just remember them. And it's same for the physics formulas too. I usually do this while I feel really difficult in remembering the formula or the difficult words too. I actually take a 40 once after reading for 45 minutes. I actually take a 5 minutes break in as an interval. But as my unit test is nearing, I am not taking an interval in between because I really do have a lot of things to study. So as I need to concentrate a lot, I am not taking a break in between. But yeah, I take a break 45 after 45 minutes of reading, and I also set a timer for around 5 minutes so that I don't forget that I have to go back to study. I am done with the chemistry. I also did the revision. Right now I am arranging my books. I actually try to keep all my books clean and neat because it will be easy for us to take during a class hours too. I got some guides too for my 11th standard. And I then cleaned my desk. This is the portion for my unit test 1. I have five subjects and they are computer science, maths, chemistry, physics and English. My first exam is computer science, and there are two chapters for that. Actually they are on the whole one, but they are divided into two. And this is my dinner. I had chapati and paneer butter masala for my dinner. And right now I'm making a timetable because as the exams are nearing, I actually need to stay more productive than I am right now. So this is my timetable. I actually will follow them, but yeah, once in a new moon everybody will miss the timetable, and I just have to stick them on the wall. I also did this. This is actually a planner for my studying purpose. This is only related for studying, which the things what I have to do for that particular day, I can write them down, and then I head to my room, and I just clean my wardrobe every single day because I try to keep my wardrobe clean most of the time. Once after that I had a banana. Actually I usually used to have milk during the night so that I get a better sleep, but instead of milk today I had a banana. Then I brushed my teeth, took a shower, changed to my night dress, and yeah, by 10:40 I went to sleep. So here ends the video of my day in my life 2021. Hope you guys liked it. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.